God still has a purpose for you. Napagod ka na ba? Feeling mo wala nang saysay ang lahat? Minsan naiisip mong sumuko na lang. Pero tandaan mo ito. As long as God keeps waking you up, He still has a plan for you. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Kung buhay ka pa, may dahilan. Kung nagising ka ulit ngayong araw, may panibagong pagkakataon. Hindi ka gumising para lang masaktan ulit. Hindi ka gumising para lang malungkot. Gumising ka kasi may plano pa ang Diyos para sa'yo. Part 1. Waking up is a sign of purpose. Ang paggising ay hindi simpleng aksidente. Bawat hininga, bawat bukas ng mata, ay pruweba ng panibagong misyon. Hindi ka patapos. Hindi pa tapos ang kwento mo. Hindi pa rin tapos si Lord sa paggawa ng milagro sa buhay mo. If God still wakes you up, He's telling you, Anak, laban pa. Kasama mo ako. Part 2. Even if life is hard, God is working. Oo, may mga araw na mahirap. May mga dasal na parang hindi sinasagot. May mga pangarap na parang hindi dumarating. Pero habang buhay ka pa, may ginagawa ang Diyos na hindi mo pa nakikita. May tinuturo siya sa'yo. May nililinis siya sa puso mo. May inaayos siya na hindi mo pa nauunawaan. Sometimes, the delay is not denial. It's divine preparation. Part 3. Trusting God even when you don't understand. Hindi mo kailangang maintindihan lahat. Hindi mo kailangang makita ang buong plano. Proverbs 3:5 says, Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Minsan, ang pananampalataya ay yung paglakad kahit walang kasiguraduhan. Yung pagtiwala kahit puro tanong ang puso mo. God doesn't need your understanding. He just needs your trust. Part 4. God's plan is greater than your current season. Hindi mo man gusto ang current situation mo, pero baka kailangan mo yan para sa next level ng buhay mo. Yung heartbreak mo, baka training yan for emotional strength. Yung pagkabigo, baka redirection yan. Yung tahimik mong season, baka preparation yan for something greater. Just because it's not happening yet, doesn't mean it's not coming. God's timing is always perfect. He wakes you up to refine you, not to reject you. Part 5. Every day is a gift, a chance to begin again. Buhay ka pa, di pa tapos ang laban. Hindi mo kailangang maging perpekto. Ang kailangan lang, handa kang magtiwala ulit. Today is a new mercy. Today is a fresh page. Today is a reminder. God's not done with you yet. So don't waste it. Live it with gratitude, courage, and faith. As long as you're waking up, you're being chosen. Chosen to heal. Chosen to try again. Chosen to walk with purpose. Like this video if you're choosing faith over fear. Mag-comment sa comment section ng may plano si Lord para sa akin. Subscribe for more Tagalog faith-based content.